So our Guava leaf powder is ready to pack. You can use this to prepare so many things. This one too. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I prepare my Guava leaf powder. Okay, so this is the Guava leaf tree. You see, this is Guava leaf tree. So I want to show you how I prepare my own powder. It's okay like this. Let's go. Majo down. Small. Together.
Welcome to your home away from home. At Diarra Service Apartments, we bring you the perfect blend of comfort, luxury, and convenience. Whether you are in town for business, pleasure, or a long-time stay, our fully furnished service apartments offer everything you need, like spacious living area, stylish interior, daily housekeeping, modern kitchens, high-speed Wi-Fi, 24/7 security, steady electricity, and a standby generator. Enjoy hotel-like services with the privacy and warmth of a real home. Our location is at number 1 Ayani Village, Mafoluku, Oshodi, Lagos, Nigeria. Book your stay today and experience the comfort you deserve. For bookings and reservation, contact us on 070-8416-1830 or +121 5626 8270. Diarra Service Apartments. Live better wherever you are.
So this is our Guava leaf. Okay, so I want to raise it. see the way we do it. So I will be gathering them. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. I want to keep it outside so that the breeze will touch it. We don't need too much sun. So we don't need too much sun to dry this. So viewers, this is our guava leaf. You can dry. You hear the sound of it. So I want to blend it. So this is our guava powder, okay? Guava leaf powder. You can use this to make tea. It's very good. So I want to pack it inside this nylon. So our guava leaf powder is ready to pack. You can use this to prepare so many things. So this is nice. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment. Bye bye.
Welcome to Jerry Service Apartments, a reliable and standard apartment that stand out among its peers. Our services include short and long stay, 24/7 electricity with standby mechanical generator for backup, 24/7 drinkable water, fully equipped kitchen with fire extinguisher, smart televisions, DSTV, free internet service, availability of errand staff 247, housekeeping, serene environment. What are you waiting for? Check us out at Jerry Service Apartment today and you will be glad you did.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni lọ́jọ́kọ́jọ́ kí ló ladí ẹ wá Jerry Service Apartment láàyè ìfọkànbalẹ̀ tógunlọ́gbọ̀ àwọn arìnrìnàjò ń forí pamọ́ sí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń bọ̀ wá sórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà tẹ́ ẹ wá ń wá ààyè tó jojú ní gbèsè Jerry Service Apartment ibẹ̀ gan ni kẹ́ ẹ máa bọ̀. Wọ́n wà ní #1 Ajani Village Máfolúkòso ní Lagos State. Ìrìn ìṣẹ́jú méjì péré ní Murtala International Airport. Ààbò ẹ̀mí àti dúkìá tó yanrantí wà ń bẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn akọ́ṣẹ́mọṣẹ́ òṣìṣẹ́. Jerry Service Apartment ó dára tán po.
For booking and reservation 070-8416-1830 or +121 56268270. WhatsApp only.
Jerry Service Apartment àti gbọ́ nípa yín nìyẹn ọ̀dọ̀ yín là ń bọ̀.